purpose for this YouTube channel is to bring you guys value for free.
What up, guys? So I just want to jump on real quick to make a video. This morning I fired a customer, and I fired many customers in my days, but this was an $800 a month recurring customer. It was a church, and we do them every Saturday because they require us to do them on Saturdays because their service is on Sunday. So, you know, typically we don't work Saturdays except during our busy season. So it's really a pain. First off, because I got to find guys that are willing to do one job on Saturday, right? But the actual reason I fired them was this morning I got a really nasty email saying, you need to get in here first thing this morning and take a look at the work your guys did, blah, blah, blah. I pay you guys $200 a week, and this is from their, not the pastor or anything. The church is a great place, great people, but the guy was really mad. He sent me some pictures, and our guys had missed a couple windows. And one thing I can really say about myself is I've never charged customers for bad work. If we get a call back and it's a legit callback, first we'll always try to fix it. If they don't want us to fix it, we'll always either give them their money back or not charge them. You know, so basically they got the service for free. So they missed a couple windows, and it was not justifiable the way he had spoke to me. Basically demanding I come in on a Sunday morning to look at the work that my guys had done, that I charged them $200 a week and blah, blah, blah. And we had a email about a month ago from the same guy about the same thing, and I did go in and check the work, and it ended up not being our fault. Ended up being some other people at the church's fault. So I woke up this morning to that email, and I just simply responded, Mr. So-and-so, we obviously will not charge you for the service that we provided for you yesterday, but I also wanted to let you know that we will no longer be servicing your property. So here's the name of 3 local companies that you should call to get a quote from. A lot of people would say, Matt, you're insane. Customer's always right. What are you doing? It's $800, you know, that's 10 grand a year in, you know, recurring services. And my response to that is, listen, you're in business for yourself, and you build the type of business you want. In the beginning, I took any customer I could get, but we're at that point now where we don't have to deal with people I don't want to deal with. And so fired them. And I can't tell you how freeing it is to be able to just open up my email and respond that way and not even blink an eye. We won't even feel it. You know what I mean? But hopefully for, you know, somebody like himself, he'll get that email and realize that he was a total dick about it, and maybe treat the next company a little bit better, or he may even respond and apologize. I'm not really sure, but I just want to jump on here because those of you that can afford to not service every single person, it's okay to not service people. Like, it's okay to pick and choose who your customers are. At the end of the day, you know, you have to, for me, I was tired of waking up on Sundays to nasty emails, right? And so that alone, it would start my day today in a funk. And I said, you know what? I'm not going to let this affect me. It's only $200 a week, and so I'm done with them. And so we booted them. And so if you guys ever have customers like that, I would encourage you not to be afraid to walk away. And don't screw people over. If you did bad work, you need to back it up or not charge them or whatever the case is, right? Never charge people for bad work. And when you have employees, you're always going to get callbacks here and there, you know, and we always do our best to handle those well. But for a customer that is just out of control and can't handle themselves, they don't deserve our service. They don't deserve my time. And they certainly don't deserve me going in on a Sunday morning and helping them. So if I would have gotten an email and it was a lot nicer and saying, hey, is there any chance that maybe you can swing in sometime today to check out the work they did? You know, it just wasn't as good as maybe we thought it would be and blah, blah, blah. I totally would have been there first thing this morning. But the way he spoke to me, people like that don't deserve my time, and they don't deserve your time. So take that for what it is. I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Hope you have an awesome weekend. It's Sunday. I'm going golfing and not stressing out about work. So see ya.